Walang ba yan? Okay, you're out. Okay, let's make it quick. Kayo ka, Richard. Parang stranger mo to. So, apat na lang. Tapos, just stand here in the middle. This time, the first one. Please form a circle. Come on, ladies and girls. Try naman kung sino unang yumakap kay Richard. Ready, go! Wala pa. Come on, you have to go around, go around. Wala pa. Pati mo naman yan. Go! Take the music and go to the side! Talaga, ikaw. Sige, ikaw na. Sige, sa'yo na nga siya. Okay, next round. So, 3 ladies left. Who will be the last one standing? Go! Sabi ko, yakapin, huwag yung patayin. Ay, ikaw na, out ka na. Oh, so, 1-on-1. Meron ba kayong bet dito sa dalawa? Para kayo Richard. Okay, last round, go! Okay, go! Move around, move around. Let us see you be coming around. That's the way, So you're out, ikaw ang winner, yung naka-brown. Kailangan mo na ba siya? What's your name? Ella. Si Richard. Okay, okay sir. Come here, Leo. Bigay mo na yung garter kay Richard. Okay? Okay, Ella, upo ka na. Come here, Richard. Bago mo ilagay yung garter na yan sa leg ni Ella, kailangan, wala akong approval na lang ni Melody, kailangan mag-thumb up siya. Kailangan matuwa siya sa gagawin mo. Because before you put that garter on her leg, you have to show us some sexy dancing. Dancer red? Oh, they can. Okay? DJ Noel, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, from high and forward. Bakit tayo, nilalabas? Nilalabas na ang tiyan. Okay? Okay, we're gonna put that garter on her leg. So, Richard. But the bar is asking that you have to use your teeth. Is that high enough? Okay na ba yun? You want that garter to go higher? There you go. Higher go. Go. Go, Richard. Higher! Is that okay? Higher? Higher daw eh. Oo, nasasuggest lang ako. Okay na ba yun? O makaka pa? Higher? Higher daw. Huwag na, baka kung makita mo dyan. Actually, come here, Leo. Some photo opportunities with the bride and grooms. Sabahan niyo sila. Victoria. Ano? Parang may narinig akong sinisigaw. Please? Ano? Please? Please, okay lang ba yan sa'yo, Leo? Hindi ka naman conservative. Okay lang? Ito gagawin mo kiss mo siya sa tatlong paborito mong bahagi ng kanyang katawan o mukha. Tatlo. Isa-isa. At yung mga halik na yun, Molly o kay Melody, ay gagayahin ni Richard. May boyfriend ka ba, Ella? Saan? Dito? Ella ba? Malis na? Nasa ibang bansa naman pala eh. Ready? Leo? Here's the first kiss. Go. O, sa kiss ka na. Go, Richard. Ready? Get set, go. Okay ba yun? Okay, hindi sumayan, di ba? Okay, next kiss. Kiss number 2. Where are we going to be? Uy! Saan yan? Sa cleavage? Sa may leg lang. Isipin mo, Richard, you are a vampire, siya ang maganda mo. Ready? Get set. Ahawin mo yung buhok na, uy, parang ayoko hindi sumayan. Go. Ready? Get set. Go. I know you're saving the best for last, Leo. Where will it be? Ready? Get set. Richard, pag di mo nagawa yan, magdududa ako sa iyo. Come on, let's give him more support. Go, Richard, go! 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 Okay na ba yan? Lalabas yan sa YouTube eh. Sa boy. Okay, pictures. Thank you so much. Smile. Para masyado na-injuice eh. Okay, thank you so much. Come on, let's give him a big